I won 2.
Okay, Glass. What is the weather in Houston, Texas?
That's awesome.
That's cool. What did it say? What does it say? Okay. Awesome. Then you can scroll this way, and you'll see the picture that you did. And then to get out.
Very nice, Dr. Barnes.
And yes.
Google, what is Oxford Dictionary's word of the year? From our shortlist, but selfie was the runaway winner.
Oh,
and it has a little paragraph about it. Okay.
Wonderful. And how do you think you'll be using this in your business and your personal life?
In my business and personal life, I could use it for research.
That's great. Yeah, this is going to be fantastic from a training standpoint, being able to video and record.
We have it activated for the head, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head back and go forward.
Get directions to Tokyo.
Do finger forward. And you're going to see
There
it.
it is. Okay, cool.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's great already.
Well, I think it's really cool.
Yeah. I'm honored to be one of the very first practices in the nation to offer Google Glass prescription to our patients. Let's say a patient comes in and has a little mole in their eye or on the outside of their eyelid. I could take a picture with the Google Glass, instantaneously send it to a doctor that also is wearing a Google Glass, and they can send me back an instant feedback.